Hi, it's Keith Townsend. You know what? I'm a little bored from working on my plural site video, breaking a little of the monotony by showing you guys baremetalcloud.com. It's one of the options I'm presenting in my Building a Home Lab course for Pluralsight. And I thought I'd just walk through provisioning a server on baremetalcloud.com. Really cool concept. Rent bare metal server, and you can pretty much do almost anything you want with it. It's a really great option for a home lab. You know what we're going to deploy? Let's choose a random workload here. Let's do a pretty powerful machine, relatively speaking. Let's do a Dell M600 with a 8 gig of RAM and a 3 gigahertz processor. Let's order this guy. Notice that it's 34 cents per hour, which is pretty good. Even if you ran a lab for, 100 hours, still only $30 for a pretty robust server. See, the options for OSs are pretty wide. Unfortunately, they're not offering vSphere or ESXi 6.0 yet, but that's fine because if you're running a nested virtualization lab, we can deploy ESXi 5.5 and life will be good. We can run vSphere 6.0 under ESXi 5.5. Notice what we get with this server is one public IP address, which you can use to SSH to the server, 3 gigabytes of bandwidth per hour, free load balancing, and 5 public IP addresses. Then also access to the actual bare metal. That's important. I ran into this problem earlier. I had to open a ticket with the guys at baremetal.com. I had chosen a lower level server that didn't have KVM access to the DRAC. That's the remote access unit for Dell. So I couldn't change the BIOS to Intel VT. Or if you need to get access to the console for ESXi, etc., that makes it really, really handy. We'll order the server. So we've ordered the server. The OS is being installed onto the hard disk. Take a look at the progress. See that it's currently initializing. It took roughly about 5 minutes to deploy the image, and now the server's booting. We can click on the server and then go to login, and then you see we have the DRAC access, so we can click on this web link. That'll take us to the DRAC. Of course, there's not going to be a certificate for this DRAC. Prompted for a username and password. Go back to this guy, copy and paste our username and password. We're at the DRAC homepage. We can go to console, and then I can launch the viewer, which will start a Java applet. I'm on my Mac and I haven't enabled this site for running remote code, so I'm not going to do it. But basically, you get the hint from here. From this point forward, you can administer your ESXi console and build a pretty kick-butt lab. That's it for this video. Let me guys know your thoughts on baremetal.com and if it makes sense to move your lab to the virtual space.